Hello, and welcome to this walkthrough of the Leadership Hub app. When you open your app to start your trial of your 30 days, or if you have subscribed, this is the image that you will see. And I would like to walk you through what's actually there so you can get the best out of it. So if we scroll down, you will see that there are many sections within the app. To begin with, there's Hello and Getting Started, which is a section that will show you how to navigate the app and me on a video welcoming you to the app. There are many, many subjects. If we just scroll down, you can see just some samples of leadership challenges, planning and strategy, things like developing others, recruitment and selection, tricky conversations, self-sabotage, healing shame, leading through change, the client experience, neurodiversity, many, many subjects that you can actually find within this app. So let's just think about maybe that you have some leadership challenges, which is not unusual. And they may be something to do with just getting started, for instance. So if we open this section, you will see that there are various videos and downloads, motivational sections, lots of videos, more downloads, motivational, and then there's always a time to reflect. What have you learned? What are you going to take action on? So let's look at something that happens regularly when I'm working with leaders, and that is how to manage friends now that you are their lead. So if we look at this and we click on this icon for a video, it will open up into a video. Now the video is a carousel, and with me talking you through the carousel on the video. So you can read it, so you can turn me off, you can mute me, or you can listen to it, which is really handy when you want to put your, your earpods on or your headset on and listen to it. Um, or you might want to go quicker than I'm actually talking, and you can actually scroll through it by just dragging it along. So once you've finished, you can actually just press complete. But before that, I'm going to show you how it actually works. So we press the video and I will start talking. Managing friends. Now you're their lead. It can be hugely rewarding to lead colleagues and to manage a friend. Now, what you will see here is the video itself is only 5 minutes long, just over 5 minutes long, and that you can mute it, as I said, or you can drag it along at the speed that you choose to, or go back if I've talked too quickly, or you want to go over it again. So it's quite intuitive of how to use it. Once you've finished that particular section, you press complete and you'll be told that you've done a great job because you've moved forward in your leadership skills. And you can either continue to the next thing in the next topic within that section, or you can drop out of it and go back to the menu by clicking on this cross here. Or you can go to the next one. So you have a choice here of actually following the whole of the app as a course at your own pace, and you could go back and forth and go through them again, or you can just drop into it as a reference library if you choose to. So if we were to continue, it would bring up the next section. Stop taking on your team's problems and issues. And again, if we open it up, you would see that was me talking it through, narrating through the carousel, with the same that you can mute me or you can control the speed. If we can complete it, it will then say great job, and then you continue to the next video. Or as I say, you can jump back to the menu, decide that you've finished with leadership challenges and you would like to know something about planning and strategy because you've been tasked with that. Then you can open that up and go through the whole of the planning and strategy if you choose to, or find what you're particularly looking for. Maybe you've been asked to do a SWOT analysis, a strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. So that's it within the app. But what there is a community, and there is the leadership hubbies, where people can communicate, ask questions of each other and of me, say hello and introduce, share successes, share successes and share challenges with fellow hubbies. You can then jump back to your app, to your lessons. So it's really easy to navigate, and that I hope that you find it really, really helpful in developing your leadership skills.